Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 2 of weekly contest 437. Let's read the problem statement first. Eat pizzas. Okay, so you are given an integer array pizzas of size n, where pizzas of I represents the weight of the ith pizza. Every day you eat exactly 4 pizzas. Due to your incredible metabolism, when you eat pizzas at of weights w, x, y and z, okay, w is less than equal to x, x is less than equal to y, and y is less than equal to z, you gain the weight of only one pizza. Okay, on odd numbered days, okay, one indexed, you gain a weight of z. Okay, on odd numbered days you gain this weight, and on even numbered days you gain a weight of y. Okay, this weight. We have to find the maximum total weight you can gain by eating all pizzas optimally. Note, it is granted that n is a multiple of 4 and each pizza can be eaten only once. Okay, so now let's understand this problem statement with an example first. Okay, so these are the pizzas given to us, right? One of eight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, all right. So on day 1 you eat pizzas at indices 1, 2, 4 and 7. Okay, let me write the indices here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so on day 1 you eat pizzas at indices 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay, let's say 1, 2 and 4 and 7. Okay, so that simply means 2, 3, 5 and 8 you are going to eat this pizza. Okay, on day 1. So on odd number days you are going to gain a weight of z. Z is at last position. Okay, so you are going to gain weight 8. Okay, done. Now this is for odd day. Okay, next day is going to be even day, right? So on even day, let's say you eat pizza 0, 3, okay, and then you eat pizza 5 and 6. Okay, that simply means 1, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, so now you are going to gain weight y. Okay, so pizza at this particular position. Okay, this is the weight that you are going to gain, right? So total weight 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, so this is what we need to do, right? We have to store these pizzas optimally as well, right? Here like I'm writing 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, here I'm not writing like this 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it is not going to give me the best output, right? If I use this 8 and 6 both are here. Okay, so then it is not going to give me optimal output. Okay, so we have to make them optimal as well. Okay, so here you gain the weight of only one pizza, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with this, right? Maximum total weight you have to find you can gain by eating all the pizzas optimally. Okay, so now here let's suppose, so this is the example for only 2 days. Okay, so let's say I have this 1, 2, okay, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 13, let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, 15 and 16. All right, so from here one thing is clear that in this example, if you see, you are picking this 8 and then you are picking this 6. Okay, then you are going to get the best answer. Okay, you are picking this 8 and this 6. Okay, and here what is the total size of these pizzas? Total size is 8. Okay, and if you divide with 4 you will get the number of days. So 2 is the number of days, right? This is done. Okay, 8 is the total number of pizzas, and if I divide it with 4, okay, divide it with 4, I will get the total number of days. Now from here, how many days are odd and how many days are even? How can you can find out that? Okay, how many days are odd and how many days are even? Okay, so for calculating the odd number of days, so you can just do one thing now here. 2 plus 1, okay, just add 1 and divide it with 2. So 2 divided by 3, you are going to get 1. Okay, and 1 is the odd number of day and even number of day is going to be here even is going to be 2 minus 1. Odd here 1 and total 2. 2 minus total days minus odd number of days, which is going to give me 1. Okay, so why I am adding 2 plus 1? Now this is the next question. Okay, so let's suppose First you are always going to start from day one. Okay, so let's say day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay, so we have, let's suppose 5. 5 is the value that is coming up, right? 5 is the number of days. Okay, now from 5, how many number of days are odd or even? Okay, we have to calculate, right? Odd and even. So first, since we are starting from odd number of days, so definitely this is going to be odd, this is going to be odd, this is going to be odd. So we are getting 3 odd days. But if I directly divide with 5 with 2, what is the output I'm going to get? I'm going to get 2. Okay, so that is why first time we have to just add 1 and then divide it by 2. Okay, we have to give some little bit benefit here. Okay, because we are starting from odd number of days. Okay, so 2 divided by 6, I will get 3, and then here total number of days 5. 5 minus 3, number of 4 days, I will get 2. Okay, so that's why I'm doing here this. Okay, so I hope that until now you guys are clear. Okay, so done, right? Until here it's done. Okay, so now you see here in this problem I am picking this 8 first. Okay, which is the 8 is the largest pizza, right, for the odd. Okay, and then I'm selecting for even days. I have to pick this one. Okay, so why? So definitely after 6 I need some value which is greater than 6 or equal to 6. Okay, so that is why here I'm picking this. Okay, 8 and 6. Okay, so now let's suppose here this is the example. Okay, so here total number of days 16. Okay, 16 divided by 4, I will get 4. 4 is another total number of days. Okay, so total number of days is 4. Okay, so out of 4, how many number of odd days and number of even days? So odd number of days is going to be 4 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 5 divided by 2, I will get 2. And even number of days is going to be total number of days 4 minus odd number of days, which is 2, so I will get 2 only. Okay, so 2 is the odd number of days and 2 is the even number of days. Okay, now for odd number of days we can directly pick the last value. Okay, so I'm going to create one index. Okay, starting from here. So for odd number of days we have to select 2 values, so I can directly pick this 16 and 15. Okay, for odd number of days I can directly pick this 16 and 15. Easy, right? So I have picked 15 and 16. Okay, 15 and 16 for the odd number of days. So I'm done with odd days, because in the odd number days I have to select the final value only na. So I will adjust these pizzas in set of 4 such that in one set 15 is going to come to the end and in one set 16 is going to come to that, because we have to find the maximum output. Okay, so this is clear, right? Done. Okay, so now this is clear. Now after that, for the remaining 2 pizzas, okay, which is even. Okay, so for even number of pizzas we need the values not 14. Okay, because if in one pizza I select 13, okay, then after 13 I need some value. Okay, right, because y should be less than equal to z, so after 13 we need value. So for even number pizza, in one set I will take this 13 and in other set I will take 11, because after 11 I will need one value, right, which is greater. Okay, so here I will set 12. Okay, so here what I'm saying, that for odd number of days one pizza, so in one pizza I will select 16 and in one pizza I will select 15 in the end. Okay, and for the even number of days, in one set I will take 13 here and in one set I will take 11 here. Okay, so this is what I'm saying here, right? This is a conclusion I want to draw, and here you can fill the values like whatever you want, right? So here for 11, let's say I pick 12 here. For 13 I pick 14 here, and now this is done. Okay, so here can I do it like this? 1 2, keep it here. 3 4 5, okay, 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so here I have used all the values, right? Okay, and this is how I can drive the set. Okay, and this is going to give me max output. Okay, right, there is no other best scenario for this. So 15 plus 16 plus 13 plus 12. Okay, just calculate this. This is going to my output. Okay, clear? Now let's write the code for this one. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, so these are the constant size very large, right? So now here answer I'm returning in long format. Okay, because maybe addition is going to give me a long value. Okay, not int. Okay, so here pizzas, so I'm just first going to sort the pizzas in ascending order. right? Then total number of pizzas, I'm going to divide it with 4. Okay, it is going to give me the number of days, total number of days, m. Odd count, m plus 1 divided by 2. Even count, so odd number here, total number of days minus odd count, so it is going to give me even number of days. Okay, so clear until now, right? So now initially total is 0. Okay, and I'm going to start from the last index, right? Then we have to process odd count selections, so I'm going to run one loop, I is 0, I is less than odd count, I plus plus, and in the total I'm just going to add the pages from the index, last index, and then I'm going to decrement that particular index. Okay, this way I will process all the odd count selections. Then for the even count selections, we have to take 2 elements at a time, right? So I'm going to run a loop. So index, I will take the index. Okay, the last time what was the index, I'm going to decrement it. Okay, so first index I will ignore. Okay, I will ignore this 14, I will take the previous one, right? Because we need y here. Okay, and there should be one z, okay, which is greater than or equal to this y. Okay, so I will index, I will take index, I will decrement it. Okay, and then in the total, okay, the previous total sum, okay, in this I'm just going to add the next feature index, and then I'm going to decrement that index. Okay, take second. So this is the process we need to do, and in the end we have to done total. Okay, so this submission is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with the question number 2 of weekly contest 437. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.